Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to install AWS CLI in our Linux machine. So just search the same in your browser, AWS CLI Linux, and click on the first link, install or update the latest version of AWS CLI, and you will see a page like this. So accept the cookies and scroll down. So you will get three options: Linux, macOS and Windows. So you can select one from this. So we are going to select Linux, and you can see the update requirements here, and the AWS CLI uses these things. So the first thing is you can uninstall if you have already installed AWS CLI. So you can use this command sudo yum remove AWS CLI. Then after you remove it, you just need to copy this command. So these are three commands, so you just need to copy them one by one. So if when you copy from here, they will be copied all of them. I'm going to show you here. So when I paste these commands, they will be all pasted together, so you just need to execute them one by one. So I'm going to delete the first two and then press enter. So it will download our file at first. So you can see here in the command as well, http awscli.amazon aws. So it is the link from where it is downloading. So first you just need to download, so curl is to download, and then you just need to unzip the file that you have downloaded. So the second command is to unzip awscli.zip. So now your file is downloaded, you just need to unzip it. So we are going to use the second command and it will unzip everything. So this process is complete, and now we are going to use our third command. So I'm going to copy the third command. So the third command is to install the AWS CLI. So you can see here sudo dot slash. So dot slash is to install anything. So we are going to paste it and it will ask for the password. So after I put my password, it will install everything automatically. So now we are going to verify that everything is properly installed. So you can see that it is installed here. So you can just copy this one and it will show you that if it is installed or not. So if you get the response like this, it means everything is properly installed. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.